6 on the left and red 7 on the right. With their white smoke on, currently flying at around 1,500 feet. They're about to start descending to just 100 feet above the sea now. Their closing speed is coming up to 770 miles per hour. Get your cameras ready for the synchro pair with their first opposition pass manoeuvre. These are the opposition.
Casey, look!
Turn, says Red 6. The pilots put full power on the jets. They're turning away from us now, pulling 6G or 6 times the force of gravity. Everything in these bodies, pilots' bodies weigh 6 times more than normal, so they're fighting hard against the G-force. Their G-suits are inflated, they're tightening their leg muscles as they fly the cyclone.
There they are.
Pitching up over to the left with some white smoke on his face. He's the leader of the synchro pair, one of them, Steve Morris. Steve is in his 4th and final year as a veterinary pilot, instructor, marine GR9 pilot, and GR1 pilot. That's him. High on the left, descending now is Red 7, full power, cutting the corner, chasing him down into the line of stern. Red 6 with the white smoke onto the left now. Looking bright, 45 degrees. Steaming with Reds 8 and 9. Dropping down toward an inverted V shape. Cameras ready. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Great Britain! Fabulous red, white and blue stripe in the sky here above Eastborne. But now you need to look to your right, back towards Beachy Head, where you can try and spot the synchro pair. The smoke comes on to the right. Keep your eyes on these 2 aircraft. This is the shotgun. Red 6 there giving the commands during the shotgun, in which he and Red 7 roll inverted and upright at various stages of fabulous manoeuvre going back to the display this year. Keep looking down to the left now, where Enid with Red 8 belongs to 4, red, white and blue. Rolling out, they're about to switch to white smoke. This is the revolution. Each of the pilots putting a full left-hand control column input into the aircraft there to roll them very rapidly during the revolution. That finishes to the right. Now look straight ahead, pulling up at 500 miles per hour. And 5G are the synchro pair. They're going for best effort here, reaching 5,500 feet. The white smoke comes on as Red 6 and 7 are going to draw a fabulous heart here in the sky. Keep looking to the top right of the heart. Here comes Red 9 to add a final touch as he starts to put his smoke on to draw a spear through the heart. Now, I've been asked by Maddie, Gabby and Ben to dedicate this heart to their mum, Helen Coughlin, who is 48 tomorrow. So a very happy birthday, Helen.
Oh, wow.
Hope you enjoy that. Left and right now for the synchro pair. Currently flying at 1,000 feet, going back towards us. They're going to fly. We used to call them double rolls. This year, we've changed the name in honour of an aviation legend. Captain Eric Brown was a Royal Naval test pilot and fighter pilot during the Second World War. Sadly, he passed away in February this year. He's a world record for most of the aircraft below. 487 different types of aircraft. Eric was known as Winkle. This was a short formation. Now here goes the fifth jet, rolling around them a dozen times. Coming right now. To the front right, this is the twister. Hard right now, tight. Lessen it. Out. Getting busy with the red smoke on is red monitor Mike Bowden. Mike's in his second year with the team. He is a former Hawk instructor. Then moved on to fly the Harrier GR9 and the Tornado GR4. He joined the Red Arrows. That's him finishing his 12th roll to the front left now, switching from red to white smoke. He settles in to their next manoeuvre. Bring your eyes further left now. Back towards premises where we'll find Jippo. On comes Jippo's white smoke to the left. Synchro pair now roll upside down in close formation. No trickery here and a fabulous photograph opportunity. Reds 8 and 9 are matching them directly underneath. This is Mirror.